It's Friday, you ain't got no job. Pound that for watching this video. Pow! So, what's going on with you? What's going on with your lane? What's going on with your life? So guys, in this video, on Friday, what I usually do, I show you my results with Motor Club of America. I've been with them for about a year now, and I show you how you can actually create income. Motor Club of America is one of the companies that I've been doing. I have multiple different sides of my business, but I'll show you how you can make stuff happen, baby. Let's get it. So this Friday, guys, I want to give you a tip also inside of this video. For those of you that's doing MCA, it's gonna be a free tip, and if you're not doing it, you can actually apply the strategy for other things you're doing. Okay, for other things that we're doing. So I'm gonna jump into the computer, we'll show you the results, and I'm gonna give you a tool. Okay, let me know, do you want the tool? I'm gonna give you a tool. It's a free tool. You can get a free version, there's a paid version also. I have the paid one, but that tool has enabled me to make an extra $1,000 with my business this week in MCA. Now, I'm not even talking about my other businesses, which is totally massive. Are you using Instagram? Leave a comment down below, let me know. Are you using Instagram right now currently? If you don't, if you're not using it, do you have an Instagram account? If you don't, I want you to create one right after this video, because I'm gonna show you a tool in there that enable me to make extra $1,000 with my current business with MCA Motor Club of America, and for my other businesses, it's bringing a little bit over 7 G's in the last week. So it's totally powerful. That's why I love going to Mastermind. I went to a Mastermind last week. One of my students who's really crushing it showed me the little tool. Now, if you guys followed me on Instagram, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, I'm gonna put a link down below. Follow me on Instagram, because what happened? My old Instagram account got stolen. I had over 13,000 subscribers, followers on there, and they stole my Instagram. Come to find out, now they selling cannabis on my stuff. Totally crazy, nuts. Now I go to the Instagram channel, I see that they are selling cannabis. I reported to Facebook. I was not able to get the account back, kind of give up on it. Now I had to start a fresh new one, which is cool with me, but now I got a whole new little strategy that my friend, literally I went to the Mastermind. He's been killing it. You guys probably know Chris. So he's been showing me what he's been doing with Instagram and how he's been using a tool and how he's been getting a massive amount of results. People are getting into his stuff. He's making money. I mean, thousands of dollars every single day just coming in on automation. I was like, dude, ooh, shoot. You gotta show, yo, I gotta get this going. So I got it going while I was over there, and everything is picking up over here. So anyway, as you guys know, I love to share with you guys, my subscribers. I could make a training on that stuff and charge you thousands of dollars for it, but hey, you know what? Because I'm making thousands with it. But hey, you know what? You guys are my subscribers. I appreciate you for coming back to my channel. I say, hey, why not? Let's just share it with you guys for free, and you guys can take it to the next level. So let's jump into the computer, look at the results, and we'll talk about the tool. Anyway, guys, we're in the computer. I'm gonna go ahead and do a live login. Mind you, this week I absolutely did no paid advertising, no paid traffic at all. This is all free from using the tool. I'm gonna go ahead and go to associate. So you can see it's $94,000 monthly retail. We're gonna go to associate payment. So you guys can see for this week, that's $1,000 that I made on automation without paid traffic. I was just testing my Instagram to see if it works, and it does work. So what I'm gonna do for people that sign up with me, I have a team training site where people can actually go and get access to the training. Let me go ahead and log in. And inside of this team training site, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a new training right now for Instagram. So there's a Facebook training in there. In the team training site, you get it once you join my team. Or if you're not part of my team, you want to get access to it so you can get access to this new training that I'm going to be adding in there. I'm going to put a link to the team training site you can actually get. But let's move on in Instagram real quick. I'll show you what's happening. So this is my main Instagram profile. So the tool that you're going to get is going to have a little heart right there. Hopefully you can see it. When you click it, okay, I'm going to click it. So I have the pro version, which is the paid version. So what it's doing right now, let's see, task. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and I'm going to do some tag, okay? So again, start. I mean, you can just put it on your browser, okay? So let's say I want to do like Grant Cardone, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and do Grant Cardone. Or let's do by people, okay? Like user follower. So we're gonna go ahead and do at Grant. So what you want to do is to go get the name to the person, the at name, and then boom, you're gonna tell them how much you want, and you're gonna start the task, and then that's it. See that? Now it's gonna start following people that follow grants. So you could do that, and then what's gonna start happening? Now you're gonna start getting more people that follows you back from you liking the picture. I should go look for Grant specifically, but you're gonna start getting more likes. So you wanna set up this where they can get access to your website. Now, this is for my main page. I have another page that goes directly just for MCA that I've been testing. Like I said, guys, you could do this for multiple niches, different places. Now, for my main page, what I'm doing right now, on the link, I'm sending people to buy my training. So I have like a page that I did, a whole full page that I have different trainings on there, like my MCA trainings on there, my YouTube trainings on there, my Celebrity X Factor, my SEO Traffic Banana, my Ultimate Cash Flow, my affiliate trainings on there, my Shopify trainings on there, IG trainings on there, my coaching is on there. So I keep adding training. I have this page that has full testimonial, so people will go directly. I've been getting a bunch of sales just off the strategy from my page, and from the insight. Now, when you on the cell phone, it's gonna show you a little insight on the site. You click it, and it's gonna show you the whole insight for the site, and it's gonna show you how you're growing on a daily basis. Different things, and so that means 250 likes, 74 today. So it's liking those people, their page, their followers. So it gives me their follower, and it's liking their stuff. And those people, they come back to see my page, and they like my page, they follow me, they go into my links, they go into my description, they go to my website, they buy stuff. And when I do it for MCA, same thing, they opt in. So I'm getting lead traffic for free, and I'm making sales in the back end. So therefore I ended up $1,000 this week without paid traffic. This is gonna be nuts, guys. I mean, it's pretty easy to set up, but if you guys would be interested in a full course, you know, leave a comment. Let me know. Let me know down below. Would you be interested if I make a course into my processes on how I do Instagram, as far as my capture pages, my, you know, the mindset behind it, and talk a little bit more about it. Let me know if you would be interested. I'll be selling it for $297. If you would be interested, leave a comment down below. Would you buy it? You know, or what I just showed you is good enough, and you feel like you could do it by yourself, you know. If that, let me know. Now let's talk about this tool, right? So what this tool does for you, it's called Everliker. So what it's doing for you is gonna go and follow other people and like their picture on automation, but it's niche targeted. So what I'm doing right now, I have multiple Instagram pages in different niches, and I'm making it do it. Like right now, this is for make money online, MCA and stuff like that, and my own entrepreneur stuff. But I have other niches. Like I have a niche in the fitness niche. I have another in the cooking niche. So I'm making it liking other people in that specific niche, and they come back to follow me. Now the key is you must have something in your bio, okay? You must have a link in your bio that's gonna redirect them to an offer, that's gonna redirect them to something that can give them value. So make your Instagram value based. So you go on my Instagram, my personal Instagram, you'll see that it's value based. So I'm giving people value, helping them understand business, and then I redirect them to the link that I put in my bio that goes to my courses. That's for my main page. That goes to my courses. I have another page where it's going to my MCA stuff, and I've been getting signed up that way, guys. It's totally amazing. It's totally crazy. So go ahead and get that tool. It's called Everliker, and then you follow people that has big following in your niche. Like me, entrepreneur, I would follow people like Gary V, Grant Cardone. You know, if it's in a different niche, you know, you can follow, let's say you're into music, you can use that to follow. Let's say you have an offer for music, you can follow people like Beyonce or Jay-Z, you know, stuff like that. And then you put it all together, grab them from your from your bio, send them to your page, and then you start closing them in the back end. They're gonna start sending you DM. It's gonna get crazy. It's gonna start getting so crazy, Roy, to the point that your Instagram will start going bam, 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 like messages all freaking day if you do it right. So just wanted to share that stuff with you, that one tool. Leave a comment down below if you're gonna get it. Let me know, are you currently using anything for Instagram? Are you getting traffic? Are you getting leads? People might be sleeping on there, but I'm giving you this little tip. You can make thousands with it. Use that to grow your follower, get them to message you, increase your interaction. And now Instagram give you data. If you go on your profile on Instagram, you click on the insight, just like Facebook has insight in the Facebook ads. Instagram now have insight. If you click the insight, you will see how many people is clicking to go to your website, the interaction, you will see how many likes, you will see how many people actually coming to your page, how many followers you're getting weekly. And if you add that, you're gonna see a big difference in the week. I'm telling you, you're gonna see a freaking big difference, and you start getting a lot more people, and you start getting traffic and leads that way. You can start making $1,000 a week with your Motor Club of America business by implementing this strategy and take it to the next level. Thank me later. Again, guys, if you want to be part of my team, definitely jump in. I'm gonna do a full training for Instagram, and I'm gonna add it to the team back office so you guys can have access to it at any time, watch it, and take action on that stuff. That was your boy Kader. If you appreciate this video, let's get it. Let's take it to a whole next level. A lot of you been asking me, yo, what about my YouTube stuff? Am I still getting paid off YouTube? Yeah, I haven't done a YouTube when they pay me. I usually do like a YouTube proof video. I haven't done it on one in a while, but I'm still getting paid off of them. It's still a great income stream. I'll keep you guys posted on that. That was your boy Kader. I'll see you guys later. Let's go. Bye.